Hey, boys and girls, welcome back to another edition of Mr. Irish Television. All right, we're going to evaluate negative exponents. Okay, so first thing we always do is we write the negative, write this down with me, exponent as a positive exponent, aka as a fraction. Boom. So what we do for this, so 3 to the negative 3, I would write this as 1 over 3 to the third. So now it's a positive exponent as a fraction as the denominator rather than the numerator. Step 2. Write out in expanded form, which is 1 over 3 to the third, which is times itself 3 times. 3 times 3 times 3. So that's going to be 1 over, let's figure it out, because the last step is to simplify or evaluate, whatever you want to say. In those cases, these are the same thing, simplify or evaluate. So 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. There we go. So 1 over 27. All right, so 4 to the negative 2. Let's try it. So that would be 1 over 4 squared. So I wrote the negative exponent as a positive exponent. Write in expanded form. 1 over 4 times 4. And then simplify. 4 times 4 in my denominator is 16. There we go. Cool. All right, your turn. Try 2 to the negative 3. Right now, go. Ooh. All right, let's try it. So write as a positive exponent. Bam. All right. Expanded form. 2 times 2 times 2 is 4 times 2, which is 8, 1/8. If you got that, put a check. Good work. All right, now, what happens if we have a negative here? So a negative, negative exponent, negative base. This is the base right here, that's the exponent. So, when you write it as a positive exponent, the base stays the same, but the exponent changes to a positive when I bring it down to the denominator. This is base always stays the same. Write a little note to yourself. Base stays the same. So negative 6, negative 6. I didn't change that, but the exponent negative 3 to 3 actually changes. There we go. Okay, so next, expanded form. Negative 6 times itself 3 times, like that. Whoop. So that's going to be, let's see. Negative 6 times negative 6 is what? Yeah, 36. Times negative 6, let's see, I don't know. 6 times 6, 36. Bump to 3. 6 times 3 is 18. 18 plus 3 is 21. And a positive times a negative is a negative. So it's 1 over negative 216. There we go. Or you can write it negative 1 over 216, or put the negative out front. Front like that, sorry. All the same thing. Because a positive divided by a negative, same as a negative divided by a positive. And sometimes I like to put out front also, which means the same thing. So those are all the same. Great job. Whoop. All right, you try one. Negative 5 to the negative 2 power. So you can simplify it. Ready, set, go. All right, see what we got. First, write it as a positive exponent. Bam. Base stays the same. Exponent changes. There we go. Okay. Expanded form. Whoop. 1 over negative 5 times negative 5. And negative times a negative is a positive. So 1 over 25. Got it. Put a check if you got that one. Nice job. All right. Your turn now. Pause the video. See if you can do those two. 7 to the negative third power and 12 to the negative 2 power. Ready, set, go. All right, see if you got it. So this would be 1. Keep breaking my pencil. 1 over. Pencil not working. We got it. Okay, sorry. 1 over 7 to the third. There we go. So that's going to be 1 over 7 times 7 times 7. What's that going to be? I don't know. Well, I know 7 times 7 is 49 times another 7. 9 times 7, 63. 7 times 4, 28. Plus 6 is 34. Nice. So it's 1 over 343. Put a check if you got it. Nice. Last one. 12 to the negative 2. Whoop. So that would be 1 over 12 squared. Got it. So 1 over 12 times 12, which is 1 over 144. Got it. Yeah. Nice job. Excellent work. Keep going.